Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to give you a demo of how you can import a pipe delimited file into the Excel. But before that, you need to make sure that you have this data tab on your screen. If you are not able to see this data tab, then it means that you have to first install the analysis toolpack. And for that, you could go over to the file and click on the options over here. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to show you how you can install it. Click on add-ins, click over here, and then click on OK. And after you hit the OK button, you should be able to see this data tab in here. So in order to be able to read your pipe delimited file into Excel, all you need is this tab over here. So click on it, and then I'm going to go over here, and this is my file, which is pipe delimited file. I'm going to click on this, click on import, and this is it. So once you import your pipe delimited file, you should see a screen that looks something like this. I am going to click on load over here, and that's it. All of my data is now imported into the Excel, and that's it, guys. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you.